Hi friends, today I have for you 4 super easy low messy buns. Don't forget to tell me in comments down below which of these low messy buns is your favorite. So we will start with the first one, which is so easy if you will understand this technique. I'll show you one more time how I'm doing in slow motion to show you every single detail of this low messy bun. Make sure to use a very stretchy elastic. You begin like a low ponytail. Second time, make sure to stretch your elastic and bring your hand through it, and you want to twist it. And one more time, twist it around your hand, and then you want to bring this hair and this elastic over your created construction. For the next one, we want to make a low ponytail. On last time, make sure to pull your hair halfway through up like that. Then grabbing the ends, you want to wrap them around the elastic. Grab the ends, bring them through the elastic upwards. You can hide the ends or leave them like I did in a trendy way, and your second messy bun is ready. For the third one, we want to select a section from the front like I'm showing, from which side you like. Then you want to grab the rest of your hair. I leave my bangs in the front, and then you want to fold your hair like I'm showing, up and down, creating a bow with your hair, leaving the ends down like I'm showing. And tie created bow in the middle with an elastic. Then grabbing the hair left, I leave my bangs in the front like I said. Bring this section back, twist it lightly, incorporating the ends of your bun. You want to twist them around the bun like I'm showing. And to secure it, you'll need a bobby pin. I'll use 2 of them to make sure everything is nice and secure. Pull a little bit your crown section, and your low bun is ready. For the next one, we want to make a very low ponytail again using an elastic. Then grabbing a claw clip. You want to bring your hair up and fix it like that. Then you want to divide the ends into 2, crisscross them, bring them down, crisscross them again. Make sure to cover your claw clip if you can, and then you want to use another elastic to secure it. Make sure again that your claw clip is well covered. I'll use some grips and bobby pins so everything will stay secure in place, but I'll be honest, the elastic was enough for me, but you can use some bobby pins to fix it in place, and you're basically done. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's hairstyles. Let me know in comments down below which one was your favorite. But that's it for today. Love you so much, and see you soon in my next one. Bye!